Oh, okay. This time we're gonna review or check this tool to clean up the ears. So we're gonna see if that works. It really well. I tried it before. Just make a video and letting you know how it works. Well, it comes in this box. You can see it's the HD Pixel Type C charging, Android or iPhone iOS, and it's a wireless. Now it comes with this extra picks. They're really good. They're new. Haven't tried it or anything. This area is sanitized. So all of these tools to clean the ears. Well, once we check all the tools that this has, we're gonna go ahead and test the actual item. I'm gonna use the other phone so I can show you uh, how it looks like when working. Okay, first we're gonna do is to turn it on, but also we have to go and switch the Wi-Fi. We're gonna turn this on, so light is on. So we're gonna go to Wi-Fi and we're gonna select this one, the one that pop up, that one. We'll say connect. We'll say that doesn't have internet. We're gonna say okay. Now we're gonna close this and let's go to this app. The app, you should be able to download it. There is a okay. As you see, it can already give me an image. It comes with a light, and you can see me through this little camera. You see, I'm poking my cheek a little bit. So this is designed to check your ears to see what you have in your ears, to clean it. And I'm gonna try to read something in this pen using the camera. Gonna have to hold it steady. Well, you're gonna this has different language, so you're gonna change it angle so you can read it. As you see, it's working. Yeah, so far it's pretty good, and I have a few already at home and think this one will go for sale. Well, not this one, but one same design with this one. It's working pretty good. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'm gonna finish it up saying that this product is very good. If you wanna buy it, can try to see if I can leave a link in the description of the video so you can get it to I'll see where I get it so I can post the link. Okay, have a good day, good night, and see you in the next video. Now we're gonna turn it off. Oh, one more thing, you can record with a record the video, snapshot, zoom, mirror, but that might be in the next video.